Welcome back, our YouTube family, to our channel. Today, we're making a quick, simple, and super tasty omelet toast, crispy outside, fluffy inside, and full of flavor. Thank you so much for the love on our previous omelet pizza recipe. Your support really means a lot. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button. Today, let's make another delicious recipe together. Let's start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and a bit of red chili to give it that gentle heat. Whisk everything gently, you don't want to overmix. Just blend it nicely. Here's a tip for this recipe. The secret to a perfect omelet is gentle mixing and medium heat. Let the eggs stay fluffy. Now, heat a little oil or butter on your pan, place your slices of bread on top, and pour in the egg mixture. Let it spread evenly. Before we continue, don't forget to tap the like and subscribe button. It really helps us create more delicious recipes for you every week. Thank you so much for your support. After a few seconds, flip it over carefully. Look at that golden side. If your kitchen smells this good already, you know it's about to be delicious. Once your toast is cooked and you've flipped the edges, it's time to make it shine. Garnish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped red and green bell peppers. They add a pop of color and a sweet crunch that makes every bite special. Tell me in the comments, do you love colorful garnishes like this too? Look at that, so yummy. What do you think? Let's slice it open. So fluffy and full of flavor? This recipe is perfect for breakfast or a light meal. I could eat this every morning. It's that good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share this recipe with your family and friends. And please guys, hit that subscribe. We are on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Drop a comment and let me know. What's your favorite breakfast combo? See you in the next one. And happy cooking!